How to get $160 Mango promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Mango promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Mango. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one. Coupon follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. You can see that 30% off, 40% off, and many more. Just scroll and check. Then you can head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. So I have selected 50% off. Here is the code, copy it, then click on redeem at Mango. You'll be directed to the official website of Mango. Now you can log into your account, browse through the items and select the items that you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, make sure to try out other offers as well, because in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Also, make sure to check out this website, as these websites will also provide a working promo code for Mango. That's why you can easily get up to $160 Mango promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.